Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again I came with a very interesting topic, which is how you can load the content inside the WKWebView. Actually, WKWebView newly created functionality by the Apple, and they have deprecated old web UI web view. So there are too many new things we need to know before integration. Okay, so first of all, I'm going through with it, and I will tell you practically how we can integrate this in our existing application or in our new application. Okay, so let's begin with development, and I hope you will like this video. So guys, here I have two view controller. This is related to my previous video. So today video is on open web view and load the content inside the web view. Okay, so first of all, what we will do, we will just open that. Okay, so this is our new controller. Now what we will do, that I will open my WK web view controller, which is attached with that view controller, which is I show you right now. So here, first of all, I'll take where web view and its type of WK, import WebKit, and it's a WK web view. Okay, now what we will do, that from here web view equals web view, WK web view. That's done. Okay, now with that coding it will not work for you. So now what we need to do, we have one override functionality, load view. After loading the view, we will attach that web view to our self view. Okay, self dot view equals web view, and here we will call web view dot load request. So first of all, we have to create the request. Let request equals to, so it is URL request, great, and here we will pass our URL, missing URL, and here URL from string. What is our URL? Let's say it's www.webstack.com. okay, now we will pass this request here, and what it's saying, fix. Yes, it's fixed. So now we will see the output. What will be the output of this one? 1 second. From here I'm just commenting this one. Open web view. So here I have opened that, and I think it's taking time. I think we missed something here. So we will try different technique, as I was saying, to set here. See here, and we'll see the output. Still it's not loading. Let's try with Apple. HTTPS. Try with it. We will see now what output will come. Okay, I think that was not opening because of we are not using HTTPS content. So for web view you must use HTTPS web view URL. Okay, so for opening, so we got new lesson for today. So what is the next step? Let's say if you have navigation bar, okay, then how your web view will looks like. So let's see, editor, embedded navigation controller, and here I'm giving the color to the navigation controller white. So now this is my YouTube player, and this is my WK web view. So now how it will look like, let's see the output. I will open it. This is okay, not a problem. Now we will see that. Now here you can see that content is going inside the our navigation view controller. So how to get rid about that? So open your WKWebView controller, and here you just need to add one line, self dot e edges for extend layout, and here that's it. So now again let's see the output. So guys, output is in front of you. I hope you understood the complete concept of WKWebView, how you have to use that. Here one more last thing pending, how you can assign the scripting code. Okay, so for that what you have to do, let's say let config equals WKWebView configuration. That's cool. And here you can set your configuration, like you want some media player dot allow inline media player true, something like that, whatever the property which is given by the JS code, JavaScript code, you can add here. Okay, and how we can attach this config to our web view? So it's quite simple. Web view, and it's frame. Here we will pass view dot bounds, and here our configuration. Okay, so if you will run that, then same output will come. It's giving some error. Read this. Now again we will see the output. Yeah, now here you can see the output and navigation also. Okay, so guys, I hope now it is very clear to you and you understand the complete functionality of WKWebView, how it works and what is the functionality, how we can set the JavaScript to that, and how to solve a problem if our web view is going inside the our navigation controller. I hope you are very clear about that. So if you like the video, please click on like button, and before leaving this YouTube channel, I would like to tell you, please subscribe my YouTube channel, because my YouTube channel contains too much video related to Swift development, and this is all these videos using a new technology, new techniques. So please subscribe and be updated with coding and coding skills. Thank you guys, thank you so much, have a great time.